If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, choosing the right garbage disposal is essential. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best garbage disposal for septic tank systems ensures efficient waste breakdown while protecting your plumbing and septic health. Let's explore the top options available today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Insinkerator Badger 5. The Insinkerator Badger 5 remains one of the most trusted and practical garbage disposals available for homeowners who value affordability and reliability. Known for its compact design and dependable performance, the Badger 5 is equipped with a 1/2 HP DuraDrive induction motor and long-lasting galvanized steel components, making it a solid option for handling everyday kitchen waste like fruit peels, soft bones, and leftover scraps. What truly makes this unit appealing is its ease of installation, thanks to its compact size and compatibility with existing Insinkerator hardware. Most DIY enthusiasts can install it in less than an hour using standard tools. While it doesn't come with advanced multi-stage grinding or sound dampening technology, the Badger 5 focuses on straightforward, effective grinding at an accessible price point. Its no-frills design means fewer components that can wear out or malfunction over time, adding to its reputation for longevity. Insinkerator, a brand with roots dating back to 1927, has built more garbage disposals for American homes than any other company, and the Badger 5 is a key part of that legacy. From meal prep to post-dinner cleanup, this disposal helps keep your kitchen sanitary and efficient by quickly eliminating food waste. While it may not be the quietest or most feature-rich model on the market, its performance and durability make it a practical and cost-effective solution for everyday households. The Badger 5 also benefits from Insinkerator's consistent customer support and USA-based manufacturing. For anyone seeking a reliable, easy-to-install, and affordable garbage disposal for standard kitchen use, Number 2. Insinkerator 1HP. The Insinkerator Evolution 1HP garbage disposal stands out as one of the most powerful and feature-rich models in the company's lineup. Engineered for heavy-duty use, this model boasts a robust 1HP DuraDrive induction motor paired with advanced 4-stage multi-grind technology. This combination allows it to effortlessly grind even the toughest food waste, such as fibrous vegetables, chicken bones, and melon rinds, into fine particles to prevent clogs and ensure smoother kitchen plumbing. The unit also features stainless steel grinding components for durability and rust resistance. One of its strongest selling points is the built-in sound seal technology, making it one of the quietest disposals on the market despite its impressive power. The Evolution 1HP also includes a removable quiet collar sink baffle to reduce noise during operation. Installation is straightforward thanks to its Easy Connect hardwire adapter, lift and latch technology, and removable dishwasher inlet plug. Although the power cord is sold separately, the included hardware kit covers most installation needs. Its space-saving design allows it to easily fit under kitchen sinks without sacrificing storage space. As with other Insinkerator models, this garbage disposal is assembled in the USA, reinforcing the company's commitment to quality craftsmanship. It's an ideal choice for large families, avid home cooks, or anyone who generates a substantial amount of kitchen waste and prefers a near-silent operation. Number 3. Insinkerator 0.75 HP. The Insinkerator Evolution 0.75 HP garbage disposal offers a balanced blend of power, quiet operation, and easy installation, making it a top pick for mid-sized households. Powered by a durable 3/4 HP DuraDrive induction motor, this model is equipped with 3-stage multi-grind technology that efficiently breaks down tougher food scraps such as bones, fruit pits, and fibrous vegetable peels. The stainless steel grinding components ensure long-term durability, resisting corrosion and wear from frequent use. One of the key highlights of this model is its sound seal technology, providing quieter operation than traditional disposals without sacrificing performance. A removable quiet collar sink baffle further reduces noise during grinding, making it an excellent option for open-concept kitchens where loud disposals might be disruptive. Installation is a breeze thanks to the Easy Connect hardwire adapter, lift and latch technology, and easy removable dishwasher inlet plug. The compact, space-saving design ensures it fits easily beneath most kitchen sinks, leaving room for cleaning supplies or additional appliances like an instant hot water dispenser. Although the power cord is sold separately, the included installation hardware simplifies the process for DIY enthusiasts. Made in the USA, this unit benefits from Insinkerator's long-standing reputation for producing reliable, efficient, and durable kitchen appliances. Whether you're disposing of dinner prep scraps or cleaning up after a large family meal, this garbage disposal handles the task with ease and minimal noise. Number 4. Insinkerator Waste Disposer. The Insinkerator Waste Disposer is a practical, efficient, and easy-to-install garbage disposal that prioritizes simplicity and functionality. Ideal for homeowners looking for a reliable option without overly complex features, this model includes Insinkerator's Easy Connect hardwire adapter, lift and latch technology, and a removable dishwasher inlet plug, streamlining the installation process for even first-time users. Measuring compactly to easily fit under kitchen sinks, this disposal offers ample space for other under-sink essentials, such as cleaning products or small appliances. Despite its basic appearance, it comes with enhanced features like reduced sound operation compared to standard disposals, minimizing kitchen noise during grinding. Although it doesn't have advanced multi-stage grinding or ultra-quiet technology, it reliably handles everyday food scraps and lighter kitchen waste. A power grind feature ensures that even tougher scraps like vegetable peels and small bones are managed efficiently without frequent clogs. Its durable construction, featuring corrosion-resistant components, promises long-term reliability for regular household use. Number 5. Insinkerator 4HP Gray. The Insinkerator 4HP Gray, better known as the Evolution Septic Assist, is a thoughtfully designed garbage disposal tailored for homes with septic systems. While all Insinkerator disposals are septic-friendly, this model goes a step further by incorporating biocharge technology, an automatic injection system that dispenses microorganisms to aid in breaking down food waste within septic tanks. This provides added peace of mind for homeowners concerned about the long-term health of their septic systems. Powered by a durable 3/4 HP DuraDrive induction motor, it features two-stage multi-grind technology to handle tougher food scraps like chicken bones, melon rinds, and fibrous vegetables. Even with its strong grinding performance, the 4HP Gray operates with impressive quietness, thanks to advanced sound seal technology that significantly reduces operational noise compared to standard disposals. The compact design ensures it fits conveniently beneath most kitchen sinks, maintaining valuable storage space for cleaning supplies or additional appliances. Installation is simple for most DIYers, with standard Insinkerator mounting systems and hardware included. Like its siblings in the Evolution series,